A big round of applause for everyone. Timer, please let us know whether all speakers are qualified.
I'm happy to announce that there are no time disqualifications.
Great. Thank you so much.
Could you call out the names so that we can take it up for voting?
Yes, please.
Toastmaster Gopinath, Distinguished Toastmaster Sundaraman Chindamani, Guest Emmanuel, Toastmaster Jude Amrisha, Distinguished Toastmaster Vijay Lakshmi, Toastmaster Selvakumar Shekhar.
Thank you. So let's discuss the fourth category. They are the ones who wake up when they hear the alarm. They get out of the bed and hit the floor to start with their day-to-day activities. We can call them as wakers, who actually wake up as soon as the alarm rings. Can we have the report from wakers of today's meeting? I mean, the evaluators who stayed alert throughout the meeting to provide their evaluations. Let's hear from the first evaluator. He's the one who says alarm clock leads to headache. So he don't keep alarms. He's a Toastmaster for more than 2 years. Currently, he is serving as the past president of Infosys Toastmaster Club. Over to you, Toastmaster Chidambaram.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Priya. Am I audible? Yeah, thank you so much. Good morning once again. And a special good morning to my target speaker, Toastmaster Shankar. Your mentor is the one who sees something in you which you don't see in yourself. This is what I learned from today's speech delivered by Toastmaster Shankar. Let me quickly tell the things which I loved the most from your speech. The first thing which I loved about your speech is the way you narrated the speech. You followed a simple chronological order from Mahendra city and how you reached till the district stage. And in every instance, you added your own style by bringing out sprinkling humor throughout every instance. This made me to get hooked throughout your speech. And the second thing which I loved most from your speech is the way how you met the objective of today's speech. When it comes to mentoring, many people focus only about the speech perspective. But in today's speech, you told about how you learned from script writing, and you mentioned about the leadership role, and you mentioned about the contest perspective also. And if I am a new person to this environment, I will get a clear idea how about mentoring from your speech. And the third thing which I loved about your speech is the way you recognize your mentors. You didn't only mention the lessons you learned from them, you have also given credit by mentioning their name. And this plays a huge role. And having said the things which went really well in your speech, let me give you a few recommendations which can take your speech to the next level. I'm sure with a bit of practice, you can correct your eye contact, which was missing probably mostly at the end of your speech. And here comes my two specific recommendations for your speech. The first recommendation which I have for you is the focusing on the description part. In today's speech, I felt that you had given enough description for the first two mentors, but the description for the third mentor is a little bit missing. If you could have kept a balance, if you could have eliminated the description for the first two mentors, or you could have added an adjective for the third mentor, it would have created a balance between all the three instances. And the second recommendation which I have for you is the validation part. I felt a small gap between your speech and the message which you have delivered today. Today you have 4 incidents and 4 lessons learned from your mentors. And you have also mentioned that you have implemented those in your life. But I felt if you could have given one sentence, how it helped you, probably I could have resonated with you even better. For instance, you told that your mentor insisted to use MS Word, and you mentioned you have implemented till now you are using MS Word. If you could have added a line, how it could have helped you. Maybe it could have helped you to remember your speech a little better. That would have probably resonated with me even more better. So to summarize my evaluation, a best way of narration to meet the project objective, focus a bit on description and validation. I'm sure you can, this speech will be on the next level. Over to you.